First, you have to know that Volkswagen Passat B6 has two fuse boxes. The first one is located on the left side of the dash panel, behind the plastic cover. The second one is located in the engine compartment on the left side of the car. So, to remove that plastic cover from the dash panel, you have to use a flat blade screwdriver, or if you don't have a flat blade screwdriver, you can use your key blade, but be careful not to break it. Now you can see the fuse panel. You can find fuse panel diagram or explanation in the video description below. Here you have to take the cover out to see the fuses. Slide those two tabs down and take out the plastic cover. So there it is. You can find fuse panel diagram or explanation in the video description below. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.